listen and colour the questions you hear.
Let's start with our mystery object for today. It's something you can find in the house. You have 1 minute to ask questions, starting now.
How big is it?
It isn't very big. It's smaller than a loaf of bread.
How heavy is it?
It's very light. It isn't as heavy as an orange.
Okay. So it's small and it isn't heavy. How expensive is it?
Oh, it's cheap. It costs less than £1.
How hot is it?
That's a good question. It can be cold, but it can also get very hot.
That's interesting. What's it made of?
It's made of glass and metal.
Does it use electricity?
Yes, it does. Any more questions?
How noisy is it?
It's not noisy at all. The time is up. Now you have a few minutes to think about it and guess what today's mystery object is.